Assalamu alaikum and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me correct you first. My name is Dr. Uzma Shujat, and I am from Area Study Center for Europe, University of Karachi. And on behalf of my center, Area Study Center for Europe and University of Karachi, I would like to thank Federal Urdu University and University of Warmia and University of Mazury, Poland, for collaborating with the Area Study Center for Europe, University of Karachi in this international academic discourse. I would like to share with you the working of my center. We undertake research at MPhil and PhD level, and we were established back into 1975 with the Act of Parliament to give feedback to the government institutions like Foreign Office and other government institutions. Since then, we are undertaking research at MPhil and PhD level. We are running our language courses of German, French, and English since last more than 3 decades. And we also have a very long and strong relationship with the European Commission, with the Hans Seidel Foundation, Germany, Goethe Institute, Allianz Francaise, and Foreign Office. On a regular basis, we conduct research together in collaboration with our students and faculty members. And also, we are providing our feedback to Foreign Office related to many international issues, especially pertaining to European dimension. And this is a very good movement for me to introduce my center, and I also extend my thanks to Federal Urdu University and their collaborating partner Warmia and Mazury University of Poland, that we are collaborating in this academic course. And I hope in this academic 2 days international course, we are our guests from Poland, our faculty members and our scholars from Poland, and different scholars from Urdu University and different universities are going to enlighten us on the different dimensions of Poland-Pakistan relations, because we Pakistanis and Poland share a very long history of relationship between the two countries, and Poland's position in the heart of Europe made Poland as a gateway to European continent. I wish you success, Federal Urdu University, and would like to thank again on the behalf of the Area Study Center, University of Karachi, and Vice Chancellor, University of Karachi, for making us the collaborating partner for this international discourse. Thank you again.